Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 27/10/2024 and the time is roughly around 7:30. Again the fall continues from the top, and tomorrow actually on 26th October, where we made the low last year, and the seasonality is happening tomorrow because 26th was market holiday. So we need to see what's going to happen on tomorrow, which is Monday. And let's go and get into the technicals. The video will be a little big, and let's see what best I can do for you. Okay, so now let's go to the first. So now this is the book date which we talked about in Nifty, and the book date was 19th September 2023. So we clearly said it has to give 5% on the upside, but it has not given the 5%. It gave roughly around 2.56, 2.6%. But once it broke below this candle low, the target is 5% on the downside. So now if you see, this is the 5% on the downside. If I mark that 5% low, which is this one, that was the exact low of yesterday. The number is roughly around 24,165, and that was the more or less low, and that is where it closed. 24,168 was the close yesterday, but 24,165 is very, very crucial for the market because that was the last week target in Nifty. Till it is below 25,358, the target is 24,165. So the cycle was actually made, and that was the number which we are talking about in last week. So now based on the book date, Nifty achieved 5% on the downside. So now it has to get arrested here, otherwise the more problem will continue, that we will talk about a little later. So now when it comes to seasonality, so now let's watch this. A very simple seasonality, nothing big deal in this. See, if you go last year, this is 1 year seasonality. So now last year, if you see, the market made the bottom on 20th March 2023, and from there it went up. Then the top happened on 28th December 2023. For example, if you go to 28th December, yeah, more or less, yeah, this was the last year I made. So this is the crucial day in the next year because this is where the high made on 2023, but the low made was 20th March 2023. This was the significant low. So now let's go and see what happened on 2024, 20th March 2023. So now this is the 20th March 2023. Simply you need to mark the high, mark the low, I'll remove this, I don't want this now. So this was the last year seasonality, 20th March 2024. So the high I marked and the low I marked. Market went up, came down, touched. Market went down, came down, touched. Again it went down, came down, and this is predominantly a GAN date, actually a solar date. 20th and 21st was the GAN solar date. So now again took the support, and again it took the support, and from there it went up. So now the next one, if you see the significant low of last 2023, the next significant low came on 26th October 2023. So now tomorrow is the date because 26th was holiday. So you need to take 28th of 2024. So 28th high and low is very, very crucial based on the market. Even if you take, let's say, the technical part of it, so this is where the support, last time it made after the gap down and all that. So now based on the time, based on the price, the pattern is emerging here. So we need to see whether the market is going to go down and it is going to hold this low, and from there let's say whether we can take a U-turn. So tomorrow is very, very crucial based on the seasonality. Okay. So now let's get into the technical. So now this is your simple EMA SMA. So now it is below. Now it is below the 100 SMA. So possible target based on the SMA is roughly around 200 SMA, which is roughly around 23,400, whatever it is. Okay, so now when it comes to RSI, it is at the bottom. So we need to see whether we are going to take a U-turn from here, but the divergence is not seen here, and even if you take from here, you can observe what it is. But normally I don't consider daily, weekly RSI. I always go with the monthly RSI. That's what we said last when the October month started. We clearly said in the Bangalore event also that it was at 84 RSI, which is very significant when it compared to the previous monthly RSI top, and from there the market topped out. So now even if you go to monthly, so this was the predominant top last time, again the predominant extreme high, and from there market started moving down. So now this is your RSI and SMA. Now let's go to pitchfork. So now this was the exact top, and now this is going to be the crucial area. So this blue color line has to be held because this is the major line of the pitchfork. So now this area is going to be very, very crucial for the market, and more or less it is also combining with this support area. So tomorrow again, whether it is a gap up, gap down, we don't care about that, but this has to be held based on the pitchfork as well as based on the previous low which happened in Nifty on roughly around 5th of August. But when it comes to Ichimoku, we are nearing the weekly support area, which is this baseline combined with the fortune signal. So this area again, it's going to be very crucial. So market is nearing the support area. So we need to watch how the market is going to play out in the coming day or in the coming week. So when it comes to Ichimoku, absolutely there is no problem when it comes to weekly Ichimoku. So now this is the conversion line and this is the baseline. So baseline is flat. Normally when the flat emerges, it always try to touch that and take the support, and it will move forward from here. Maybe if you go and check last time where it touched, so exactly the touch happened here. This is what I talked about. You can go and watch my video on 20th March 2023 why we said very crucial area when it comes to Ichimoku here, and that was the perfect bottom, and from there it took and it gave a solid rally. But now when it comes to Ichimoku, the cloud is very big, and now we are nearing only the baseline area. So now watch out what's going to happen here. But even if it takes the support here until it is going to below this conversion line, it is going to be a dilly-dally kind of a situation where you will observe a C clamp here. You will observe a C clamp here. So now 3 candles are over. So we need to watch another 3 more candles whether the C clamp is valid or not when it comes to Ichimoku. Okay. So now this is again a very crucial area when it comes to Nifty. So now let's go to Fibo. So now it has already broken this area, and 0.785 was broken. So now based on the support area, again this is going to be the support area when it comes to the market, but this is going to be the predominant number which you need to watch out for, 23,779, because this is 50% of the move which happened in the past, and it is retracing back to that 50% more or less. That is the parallel channel end. So this is very crucial area, 23,779 based on the Ichimoku. So based on the Fibonacci. So now even if you take here, this is going to be the area which you need to watch out for tomorrow. That particular area which you need to watch out for, which is 23,875 to 23,779. This is the crucial area which you need to watch out for tomorrow. Let's see whether it is going to come and take a support here, and it's going to move up on the upside. So We are nearing the very crucial area when it comes to Ichimoku, pitchfork, and when it comes to Fibonacci. So all that is the support is nearing. We need to wait and watch, because even if the support is nearing, it doesn't mean that we need to jump and buy here. We need confirmation to buy. Absolutely, there is no confirmation in any shorter time frame, right? From 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, or even in 4 hours, there is no confirmation to buy. We need to watch whether it is going to take the support here, and we need to apply, we need to go for the positional buy, because this is every time it is going to be a sell and rise market, because there are lots and lots of resistance on the top. So it's going to be a sell and rise market. Once I will tell you where you can initiate the positional buy. Till that time, it is whenever the move happens, it is the positional sell only. Okay. So now let's go to Bank Nifty, and this is the book date which we are talking about for a very long time. Again, it is 6th September when it comes to Bank Nifty, and on the upside it has given 5%, and again it came down and held the low of the Bank Nifty 6th September, and again it went up. Yesterday it came again and touched the low of 6th September. All these book dates was already published in my YouTube channel as well as in the Telegram channel. Kindly you can go and watch that. So till it holds the sixth low, there is no problem. But when it goes below and close below the sixth low, then the 5% on the downside will get activated in Bank Nifty. So the target is roughly around 48,000 level when it comes to 5% of, even if you take 5% exactly from that low, maybe the target is 5% downside, which is 47,967. So you can take 48,000 level. Once it closes below this candle low, if not, again U-turn only. And again this week Bank Nifty is having a very big combination, so we need to watch Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty is much better than Nifty. So you can concentrate on Fin Nifty. I will tell you why Fin Nifty rather than Bank Nifty later. Okay. So now based on the book date, it is holding the support. Now let's come to your EMA SMA. It is again below that low of 100. So now based on your EMA SMA, this is going to be your target. But this date, which we said very crucial, that 7th low must be held when it comes to Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty is already broken that 7th low, but still now Bank Nifty is holding the 7th low. So whenever in case if you want to go long in the market, you can try for going along in Bank Nifty, not in Nifty. But if it breaks below this candle, then Bank Nifty you can simply go short for a further more downfall. Okay. So now let's go to pitchfork. So now again it got rejected here, and again it got rejected here. So now this support has to be held, which is the median line. So last time also it came and bounced. Again it is close to below. This is little bit worrying factor. So now if the fall continues till it is not closing above this line, the fall will continue up to this end, which is again roughly around 49,000 or 48,750, or maybe if you put a line here, so you will know what will be the target area. 48,673 is the target area which we are looking at, in case if it doesn't close above this pitchfork line. It has to close above the pitchfork line, otherwise it will be a problem. Okay, so now let's go to Ichimoku. So now as we clearly told that this will not sustain, this rally will not sustain. Again it came down close to below, then again it went up, but it will, we clearly said based on the Ichimoku, 24th October was the crucial date based on the Ichimoku. And last week we clearly said that 24th will be the crucial area, because this is where the twist is happening, and if you mark the high, if you mark the low, it is not able to close above the 24th high, and it broke and closed below, decisively below the cloud. So now the cloud is also emerging red. So now whenever it goes above, all these will act as a major support, major resistance level, and possibility that it will try to break the cloud only on this date, which is going to be 18th November or 19th November. Watch these 2 dates in November. Till the time it should not close above, wherever it goes again it will come down, and we clearly explained the concept when we did the video here. You can go and watch my YouTube video, what we said on Bank Nifty when it was trading here. Okay, so now let's go to Fibonacci. So now again when it takes the Fibonacci, last time also it came and took the support exactly at 0.5, and again this time also it got rejected again on the top, and now again it is coming, reaching near 0.5%. so this is again a very crucial area when it comes to GAN retracement, which is 0.5. so now let's go to CNX Nifty. This is what interesting to me. So now CNX Nifty, it topped out based on the monthly. Even we clearly made the video on how Nifty made the top out on monthly, and Bank Nifty made the top on monthly, and now Pitchfork was the exact top happened on the monthly front. So now below this line closing, the next target is this blue color line. This is the first target of the blue color line. In case if it holds this line, the possibility it will again try up to this, but the major area will be here. The major resistance area will be here. Now when it comes to Ichimoku, when it comes to daily, this is what we talked about in daily when it comes to Ichimoku, especially in Fin Nifty, that this is the twist area and it will try to hold that area. It will come and try to touch this area. Maybe you can go and watch my 23rd September video on the weekly front. What we said when it was trading, when the index was trading here, what we said, it will come down here and it will try to take the support here, and then it will again move up. You can go and watch the video of 23rd of September, I think. 23rd September video, then you will understand. So now what happened? Again it moved up, took the support, got rejected at the baseline, took the support at the cloud, went up. Now yesterday that was the exact low of Ichimoku. So till it holds, that is what I am telling. Instead of trading, in case if you want to go long, don't go long in Nifty or Bank Nifty. Try to concentrate on Fin Nifty. Till it holds this low, there is no problem. But the only problem which is going to come now is, even when it starts breaking above, all these will act as a resistance on the top side. And if you go here, till now the cloud has not turned into bearishness. But if you go to Bank Nifty in Ichimoku, the bearishness is already started. And if you go to Nifty in daily, the bearishness is already started. So only Fin Nifty is holding when it comes to daily, and this is the only index which is holding the Ichimoku cloud low. It has not closed below. Close below the cloud, again it's going to be a big problem for Fin Nifty also. But as of now, Fin Nifty is holding, so there is no problem when it comes to Fin Nifty. So if you are trying to go long, then concentrate on CNX Finance. If you want to go short, Nifty is the better candidate. Okay, so now let's go to mid cap. So now let's come to mid cap. So this is again mid cap on a Pitchfork. Exactly, it got rejected and came down, took the support exactly at the fork. So now you got a G cell. So if it holds today's low, that is yesterday's low in mid cap, the bottom is done. So So which one you can concentrate now? When it comes to index, if you want to go long, you can go long into indices. First, CNX Finance. Then you can try mid cap. But if you take the cloud, it is now becoming descending, and the future is becoming red. Already become red now. So the second one is mid cap. But break below this, the next level is this, which is 11,700 level, another 600 points down from this pitchfork line. So if it holds this low, if it takes the U-turn, then you can try mid cap index, then Bank Nifty, then only Nifty. If it takes the support yesterday at the crucial day based on the seasonality, if it turns, then you can start concentrating on first Fin Nifty, then mid cap, third Bank Nifty, and fourth is Nifty. So now where to go long? So now if you go to mid cap, you can take positional long only when you get a genuine buy in 15 minutes time frame. So for example, if you go here, so the sell happened here at 13,071, and from there it has down roughly around 1000 points. So unless and until if you don't get a genuine buy here, there is no question of taking a long position on the positional front. Every time when it goes again here, it will get rejected and it will come down. So this is the sell on rise market till you get a genuine buy in mid cap or Nifty. So Nifty, if you take the sell came in 15 minutes, the sell came at 26,000. After 26,000, you are not seeing any genuine buy till 24,100. Okay, so there is no question of taking a positional long in the market even in 15 minutes time frame till it is not going to give a genuine buy. Till that time it is going to be a sell on rise market only. Okay, then when it comes to Bank Nifty, again there is no buy till now. From the top it happened. This was one fake candle and again it started going down. So now here also there is no genuine buy. And when it comes to Fin Nifty, yeah, there is a genuine buy. The sell is not happened till now, but the fall happened from on here. So now you can concentrate little bit on Fin Nifty rather than any other index. So positional long is not at all advised. It will again go back and get the resistance here and it will fall. So till you get a genuine buy, in 15 minutes time frame, there is no positional long in the market. Very simple. Okay, so now let's go to the numbers. Okay, so I'll give this weekly number. Okay, now tomorrow. Okay, so the impact will be on Monday, which we already talked about. So I'll give the weekly number and you can go and watch the weekly number. And when it comes to, we already said 28th is the combination cycle for mid cap. So tomorrow the mid cap index is having the combination cycle. So watch out for first 15 minutes high and low in mid cap and you can take the trade. So now this we already explained to you, and the 5% book date is already done, and Monday, this is the timing for Monday. And now let's go down to numbers. So now again all are red. So this week till it is not going to close above this number, it is weak only. The first resistance is here, the second resistance is here, and third resistance is here. So now where you can buy above this on a 30 minutes closing basis, and I have given the targets, you can use it, and break below this, then again it will try to come to this level, which is 23,815. 23,815. Below this number, the target is 23,815. Below 23,815, it's going to be a real bloodbath in the market. Real bloodbath in the market. So now let's go to Bank Nifty. So we said this is a very crucial support area, and now yesterday the market went down, and again it came back and got rejected exactly here only. This is a very minute 39 rupees difference from the low to the high, and again this got the exact resistance. If you go to the Bank Nifty chart, so now that particular area, one second. $50,880 and 50,841. So that is the exact area it got rejected. So now we need to wait and watch what this particular area is going to do in Bank Nifty. This number we are continuing for more than a month when it comes to Bank Nifty. So now till it is below 50,880, bulls will be in major trouble till 49,664. Below 49,664, the real bloodbath will happen, and Bank Nifty closed exactly at this particular number. So now if it holds this number on a 30 minutes closing basis, then all these targets will open on the upside. Now again, this is going to be the next price cycle, which is 52006 and 52192. This is we are writing from last week or more than that. So now if you go and put that number 52006, 52006 to 52192. So now if I take this, $52,006 and $52,192. So that is the resistance area. Even if you take from here, that was the resistance area every time, because that is the price cycle, and from there now it came and touched, and this is the next price cycle. So till it is below this number, then the target next price cycle is here, 49,664. This is the price cycle, 49,745 to 49,664, and this is what we are writing from last week also. If you go to Bank Nifty last week number, so it is here. When I give this kind of a color, it is a price cycle. From this year to this is the price cycle. Okay, so use it wisely, and let's go to major cycle for the coming week. So now when it comes to index, the first highest combination is having in PSU Bank, then Nifty Bank, then Fin Nifty, then Private Bank. So PSU Bank, you can again say that the major four, which is SBI, Bank of Baroda, Can Bank, and PNB when it comes to F&O, and when it comes to non-F&O, then it's going to be Indian Bank. Okay. So then bank index is having the major combination this week. The next one is metal, third is energy, fourth is mid cap, and FMCG and IT is having the least combination. Now when it comes to stocks, the highest combination was Adani Port, next RBL, then Canfin, then HAL, then Indian Bank. Indian Bank is non-F&O stock, but still I always track this counter when it comes to non-F&O with the PSU Bank. So you can watch Indian Bank, and all these are other stocks which are having the combination. So the major combination when it comes to stock, these 5 stocks are having the major combination when it comes to F&O, and the major combination when it comes to index is the Bank Nifty. Okay, That's all, nothing more to add in this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. See you soon. If there is anything interesting, I have already given you two important 1 hour candle for Nifty, especially Nifty. I think it is happening end of tomorrow. Two major candles I have already given, so watch that major candle. I have already posted in my Telegram channel also. So watch that particular 1 hour candle when it comes to Nifty. Mark the high and low and take the trade, because that is the same candle, the same time cycle which happened in Nifty when it came down on Nifty 1 hour. That is the perfect combination which happened on this candle, which was 12:15. This candle, 4th June, 12:15 to 1:15 candle, which we already posted one day before. The same cycle is happening. I think tomorrow. No, it will take long time to update. So leave that. I have already given you 1 second. Yeah, this one. 2:15 to 3:15 candle of tomorrow. This candle is going to be the vital deciding candle for tomorrow. Okay, watch out for this particular candle. Mark the high and low and take the trade. Okay, that's all. And our TTS is literally rocking, and let's see in the coming week how it is going to perform. Okay, until then, goodbye.